Hello everyone, welcome again to this amazing video. On today's video, I have this pre-wedding session. I have decided to intentionally show you guys how I created these beautiful images for my couple. I'm here in this beautiful apartment in Enugu State. Yeah, thank you. Hi, good afternoon. This place is nice. How did you discover here? Okay, this is nice. So here is our sweet bride. We are recording though. Yeah. Where's your hairstylist? Okay, she has left. Okay. How many outfits are you doing? 3 outfits. Are the clothes here? Can we see it? Upstairs. We want to check out the clothes now, right? So we need to check out the clothes and then know what's up. We already had a mood board of what we want to create. So this is the location. I want to check out the place. Like the environment, yeah. So we want to check out the locations. One thing I do when I come to shoot pre-wedding hotel or anywhere, one of the first things I do is to check out the locations I would love to shoot, and that's it. So here is cool. I wouldn't mind shooting here. Yeah, I love this place. Yeah, like this very apartment have some aesthetic settings that I like, that I would love to work with. Yeah, remember we usually came with a backdrop in case you want to achieve studio setting. So let's go. We want to check out the space. Another place I got no shape aside from here. Okay. Okay, let's go. This is nice. Did you play this game? Hey my guy, did you play this game? I swear, this is memories. Okay. Okay. This is fine. I can create something here. Where's the outfit? Okay, it's inside the bus. I love this place. So we most likely achieve something here. Yeah, so let's unveil the outfit and see what it looks like. Let's unveil the outfit because I've not seen it before. This is traditional, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, the abada, white abada, and your wife is wearing white too.
I don't think she's done what. Oh.
Okay. Okay. So, okay, bead, red. Okay. Get the first outfit and she's the one that know.
Yes.
Okay, let me ask.
Anyone asks me?
Okay. Let me just ask and then know. Alright. So I've seen different locations. I've seen different fine locations. So what we determine where I will use is the outfits. Yeah, we are doing 3 look. We are doing corporate, tradition, and casual. Once they change their outfit, once they wear the outfit, the outfit will determine the location that we use. Yeah. But then, to be honest with you, I love this place. This place is nice. Netflix and chill. Come and get the Netflix and chill stuff. I like it. Netflix and chill. So, this shit, you don't do it alone. So I have my team I work with. So I have Raf, Mr. Raf, and then I have Chukwebuka and Shama. So Shama is our drone pilot for today. So we are good. So we need to unbox our stuff and set our cameras. The makeup is still in progress. So like the next 20 to 30 minutes, the makeup will be done and we execute, we shoot. So yeah, like I said before, I shoot with my Canon EOS R5. Yeah, and then the lens I use is I use 50mm 1.2, and then for my portraits currently. I use 50mm 1.2 for my portraits. Then I use 24 to 70. I use my 24 to 70 for wide angle. So that's all we do. I have my AD200 for lights. Then I have my CD lights there. The CD lights, Godos ML2, ML60BI. That's the CD lights I use. Young No YN216. So that's the three lights I use. I use this one occasionally, not often. So I shoot mainly steady lights and natural lights currently. So I'm certain. Number one thing I check when going out for a photo session is I have to check if there's memory card. This thing don't show me shit. I've learned a lot. So I used to have memory card and I used to have spare memory card in my bag in case of emergency. And I have 2 batteries. So I always go prepared. I used to add my trigger. This trigger I use S1 Pro. I mean S1C Pro. S Pro C. So that's what you use. The trigger I use is S Pro C. Yeah. S Pro C. Then our music vibe. You carry music come, you know say photography, I mean music is vibe. It's fun. They say we should do what you love doing. And you never work a day in your life. Is that not what they say? Do what you love doing. How did they say it's rough? Do what you love doing and you never work a day in your life. I'm doing what I love doing and I'm still working. So we are doing the corporate outfits first. So when she wears her outfits, I'm looking up here to do something here. But then when she comes out, I will know. I want to shoot with window lights and see what it gives me. So thank you. Where I'm thinking of using here. Yes, now.
That for me, Steph, I would say
Picture.
picture you show.
Mm.
I wanted to be actually
Standing, sorry.
only
Yeah, then no. Both of you. Let's start with standing. I go forward. Let's go back a little bit. Yeah.
they go see that field.
So you can see your side.
What's
Sorry.
that field?
See me, you can go side.
Okay, can side that.
Yes. Okay. This is good. Shama, you hold this light for me like this. So you can make it to over. Can you? No. I love the way you are. Just slightly. No. Yeah. Then can you guys turn this way? Yeah. Cool. Yeah. Cool. No. Turn the way you are. Yeah. So put forward a little bit. Yeah. Take a deep breath. Yeah. Let's do it again. Then fix your hair. This hair is blocking your eye. Fix your lights. Bring it down. Let's share. Don't worry, I will help you. Sorry. But this is not perfect. Chama, turn on your light this way. No, not you. Sure. See here. I guess. Yeah. Yeah. Sorry. Okay. Yeah, this is it. See all this throw pillow. The whole closer. Yeah, cool. Okay. Leg the khaki. More can you? Then put out the can up. Yeah, yeah. Where's the sister? Where she go to? Yeah, up the near foot and the khaki. Turn on this way. Yeah, cool, cool. Go closer, go closer. Yeah, cool. Okay, hello. Is there a problem? Okay, let's go. I like that your smile. Okay. Can you come closer? Can you guys come closer? Okay. All right, let's go. Okay, look at each other. Okay, look at me. You know one thing about coming to a location to shoot is that you don't always leave it the way we met it. See how this place is looking now. See how this place is looking now. So that's how it used to be. When you come to a location, you have to like twist it to a way that it will suit you. So currently we are done with the first outfit. Okay, alright, and the go now. Yeah, good. You cannot pose, you cannot do that. Okay, let's go. Take a deep breath. Then we need to do the thing over it. Like raise it. Cool, yeah. No, it's fine. It's okay, hold it. Chin down, bring your head down. Turn your face this way. Then look at me, not too much. Yeah, cool. Take a deep breath. Yeah, cool, let's go. Are you cool? Are you cool? Are you comfortable? You can sit to out a little bit. Yeah. But now, turn on this way. Yeah. Okay, look at me. Let me like her like this. Okay. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Cool. Yeah. Yeah, then but it closer. That's it closer, yeah. Then Mizuku go now. Cool, yeah. Yeah, show yourself in the mirror, yeah. Hey.
That's what.
Script, do we lights,
They would go TV, but they would go.
Okay, let's go.